March 1913. Relentless rain turned the Maumee and Auglaize Rivers into raging forces of destruction. Homes vanished, businesses crumbled, and lives changed forever. But through these photographs, the story endures. In the face of disaster, Defiance stood strong. This is their story.
These are pictures that have to do with the historic flood of 1913 in Defiance. This one was Hopkins Street Bridge going, it actually washed out during the flood, and they have since put it back. It goes over the Auglaize River now. And then we have this picture of this bridge right here is actually on the Maumee, and it's still present today, just maybe not even a mile down the river from the back of the home. And then up here you have a picture of Fort Defiance, which is currently where the library is now. So they have some monuments there to kind of commemorate the spot, but that's an actual photo of what it looked like in 1894.